Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are preparing the traditional Sundal recipe. This savory and nutritious snack is not only delicious but also plays a major part in Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations. So let's get started with the recipe. Sundal is a popular South Indian dish made from a variety of legumes like chickpeas, green gram, or black chickpeas. In today's recipe, we are using chickpeas. It's often prepared as a prasadam to offer Lord Ganesha. In Chennai, you'll often find these small shops selling sundal in front of offices and schools, and hence it's a snack for any time. And also during Navratri time, this sundal is prepared as well to be offered to the gods. 1 cup chickpeas soaked overnight or for 8 hours, 1 teaspoon each of black gram, mustard seeds, cumin, a pinch of turmeric, a sprig of curry leaves, 2 green chilies, 2 red chilies, a quarter cup of grated coconut, and coriander leaves to garnish. Cook the chickpeas in a cooker along with half a cup of water and a teaspoon of salt until it's soft but not too mushy. Take a heavy bottomed pan and add a tablespoon of oil. Wait until the oil is really hot because when we add the mustard, it has to splutter immediately. Hence the flavor comes out. Now we add our mustard. Jeera goes in. Now add the black gram and let it turn slightly brown. Lovely fragrance already. We add our chilies. Goes our curry leaves. My mother always adds a touch of hing. It will enhance the flavor further. Urad dal turns brown, then we add the chickpeas. I can see slowly turning color to brown. And add our chickpeas. Remember, we have already added a teaspoon of salt when we were boiling the chickpeas. So at this stage, unless really required, do not add salt again. Saute it for some time until the moisture or any excess water leaves this mixture. At this stage, you can add a pinch of turmeric. Mix it well. Once the raw fragrance of the turmeric goes away, then we add coconut as our final ingredient. Looks very beautiful. It is almost done. At this stage, you can garnish with some coriander leaves. Delicious chickpea sundal is ready. Very delicious. Thank you for joining me today. If you like the recipe, do subscribe, share and like the video. Wish you all a joyful and blessed Ganesh Chaturthi.